Everyone turn to this page, page 13 now. Later to me, okay? I don't think it's a big number, so I just collect separately. Everyone turn to page 13 now. 4.3, both can be tomorrow, but if you want today, then today, I'm okay. Alright? Now start. This lesson is about factorization, but now the level went up to, instead of quadratic, I have cubic. So this lesson is a very short one. I can even finish in 2 minutes. Do you believe? Number one. Can you highlight this? Can you use your red pen and write? Not given in exam. What does it mean? You go and memorize. Okay? Now, but I'm going to teach you, I'm going to show you how to actually try and find a pattern. Mingyuan, look at this. First, if I say I have a cubed plus b cubed, Mingyuan, a cubed plus b cubed. Now, what's the pattern here? You look at the first bracket. Is it a plus b or a minus b? A plus b, You look at the second one. If it's a cubed minus b cubed, what do I start with? A minus b. So you see the pattern now? Next one. On the other one, it's all the same. A square minus ab plus b square. The other one, a square plus ab minus b square. Plus b square, right? So this one look like the a square plus 2ab plus b square. Looks similar, except instead of 2, now there is no 2. Do you see the pattern? So how do I convince myself to remember? So this is what I do. I tell myself, if it's a plus, I will start with a plus, then I will alternate with a minus. If it's a minus, I will start with minus, then I alternate with a plus. The rest of the formula looks exactly the same. But having said that, I need you to take time to remember. So from now to Friday, every day I'll ask someone to repeat the formula, just like that. I'll throw the marker at you, write the formula on the board. Huh? I'm what? Oh, I don't know. Throw wrong, then the other person answer. Now, let me show you how easy this is. First, can you write down? The most important step is you must, Junyang, you must put in bracket cube plus minus bracket cube. Can you write that down? You must put whatever you see into bracket cube minus or plus bracket cube. Let's start with the first question. 1, 3, 3, 1. So what is the first step? Something cube plus something cube. What do I put in the bracket? A, 11. Is that easy? Once you are able to put into the bracket cube, then you apply the formula. So start chanting. What's the formula? A, start with plus, right? Plus 11 bracket A square minus 11a plus 11 square. One more step. Don't expand, please. Exam, this is 2 marks. Just like that. Chant out correctly, get 2 marks. But where is the mistake? Because you don't pay attention in class. This one every time become plus. This one become minus. This one become I don't know. So it's always a sign that gets you into trouble. Clear? Clear? Easy, right? Lesson completed. Just like that. The whole chapter is about like this. Now, let me pause the video. Okay, everyone look up. May I ask, how many of you got this? How many of you got this? Hands up, hands up. Hi. Hands up. These people don't like to follow instructions. Why? What was the First step, put what? Everything in what? Bracket cube minus bracket cube. So I show you the correction. I show you the correction below. I show you the correction in green. Something cube minus something cube. Now, the other one, no question, t minus 2 is already in cube. Don't be extra, go and expand on anything. But the first one, should you write 8t inside? No. What should you write? 2t. Why? Why? The cube belong to who? Cube belong to who? T. Cube belong to 8? No. Therefore, follow instruction. I told you the aura was there, right? Really, I walked there, but it was there, right? Still correct? I'm still correct? There, right? There. Now, look at it. So, what is the what should be the so you must remember is 2t. You must remember. Then the correction becomes very easy. I just chant out what I need. A minus B. Reminder, this is another mistake zone because the minus here, later the minus here will change this to plus, right? But not that bad. The more critical is the 2t. Student always forget. I try a cube minus b cube, I start with minus. So a cube minus b cube, I start with minus. Then I will alternate with plus and I end with plus. Okay, if you follow what I say, this is what I meant. I will continue with 2t square plus 2t times t minus 2 plus t minus 2 squared. Tiffany question was, teacher, should I expand it? The answer is yes, only expand up to the brackets. That means this fella here should expand as well. But later, should you go and multiply through? No, because once you multiply through, you get back the top one. So let me explain. This one need to simplify? Yes. So simplify means I will have my answer t plus 2, full stop. The other one, 4t square plus 2t square minus 4 plus t square minus 4t plus 4. Let me highlight for you so that it's easy for you to understand. This thing here was this thing. Alright? So the a minus b square I expand will be a square minus 2ab plus b squared. The one Jun Yang was saying, right? 40, yeah? Oh, yeah. See, Mr. Low made mistake. Do you see Mr. Low made mistake? So, this is the mistake. 2t times negative 2 is 4t. So you must remember that there's a t. Then, simplify what is inside here. Alright, so 4 plus 2t plus t will be 7t square and then minus 8t plus 4. Pause the video now. See Now, you notice that now some of you now awareness is very strong. You see that this is decimal. Therefore, you should always do the F word, right? Factorize. What can you take out? What could you take out? From 1 to 8. From 1 to 8 and 2. What could you take out? 2. So I take out 2. A cube. A cube and A cube. What could I take out? A cube. I could take out A cube. B6 and B cube. What could I take out? B cube. Alright, I pause the video here. Can you try and help me write down what is left inside this bracket? In 5 seconds, someone is telling us what's the answer. 4, 3, 2, Mingyuan. What? You make a geography teacher laugh at you. Shame on you. 2 times 63. Can I? I can kick him out. Mingyuan. Hello. Aritina? Aritina, what is the number? 64 B cube minus 1. Now, I give prediction. How many of you done this? So you see the mistake. I want to see your homework. How many of you will do this? So what was the mistake? Never bracket the. So one very important step that you don't want to skip is this. I repeat for the benefit of those who are talking. So one very important step you want to have, don't want to skip, is this. Mingyuan, what do you put in this bracket? For what? For B. What do you put in the other bracket? 1. Therefore, this is wrong, it's 4B. This is wrong, it's 4B squared. This is wrong, 4B 1. Can I stop my video here? Are you confident now? Still no. Still no. Then how do I make you confident? 2 mark. No. This one got factorize, so 3 mark. So easy. How to get wrong? How to fail A max? I don't know. You become arrogant and skip step and don't use calculator, you fail. Okay? Now, can I conclude the lesson by assigning homework to you? So this thing here, can I circle? I give you discount again. I want these 3 questions by tomorrow. Reason. If I drag it to 19, all of you will make that mistake. Don't put into bracket. 3 questions due tomorrow.